Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, welcome. Hi, my name is Taryn. I live in Central Florida and I love to do videos based off of hair makeup. I love doing vlogs and of course unboxing videos, try on hauls, you name it. We're trying to do a little bit of everything here on this channel, so bear with me. But today we are doing an unboxing haul featuring one of my favorite companies and brands, which is Bibbidi. They actually sent me my March and my April box, so this is going to be a double opening, so a little bit longer than usual, but we are very, very excited because we don't only have one box. Oh my goodness. We have two boxes to open, and these are the Disney Ultimate box, which means they are the biggest of all of the boxes that they have on their website. So let's get right into it. Before, Bibbidi is a subscription service where you can basically kind of like cater to what you like. They have an awesome website where you can sign up, you can fill in surveys, they have a wish list where you can go through so many items and kind of pick out what you like for each month, and they really do take that into consideration. For my box in particular, I have the Ultimate Disney box, so that is one of the larger boxes. Basically what it comes with is some high ticket items. So it might come with Loungefly, it might come with some of those really awesome figurines. They have Lillian & Co, they have some Lost Bros merch, they have stuff from, oh my god, oh my god. I am terrified of thunder, and that just scared the ever-living out of me. I got that on camera, so come here. Hi, yep, we're scared. Oh, you wanna join my Bibbidi YouTube video? It's okay, it's gonna pass. Kisses. Thank you. Okay, go lay down. If you want any more information about those Bibbidi boxes, I have so many other videos, so definitely go check those out, and here we go. So before I get into opening the boxes, I did want to share my coupon code with you guys. It is Taryn10. It will get you 10% off of your first purchase, and it also gets you a Bibbidi Sparkle box. The Sparkle boxes might have like a little magnet and some stickers. They're really, really fun, and it's something that's kind of cute to come along with your first box. Love all the little details on these boxes. They're just so cute, and of course their little logo right there, Bibbidi. Let's open it up. When you open up your box, you usually have like a Bibbidi bag. This is the month that they were expecting them, so they did super cute confetti, but like, come on now, this still looks gorgeous. This is where you're gonna get all of your information. They always have like such cute cards. I actually like to frame these. I say that like every single YouTube video. Inside is the packing slip. Now you don't want to look at this, because if you do look at this, it will tell you all of the breakdown of everything in the box. It'll tell you how much you saved. It'll give you every description of the item. So I always keep that inside the little folder. They also left a little card that said "Pardon our pixie dust," and because they had their specialty bags on a delay in transit, they just said that they shipped it with crinkle paper instead. They're just so sweet to even include something like this for their customers. They really are like the most amazing little Bibbidi family. I don't know if you can see this, but Taryn's favorite character in the entire world is Sorcerer Mickey and Donald, of course. But this is one of the items that I have been putting on my wish list for like 2 box month subscriptions at this point. I finally got it, so I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, guys, look at how beautiful this bag is. Now, I will say for Loungeflies in particular, I really like the bags that have the pouch in the front. It's just easier to put like your keys and whatnot in it. But this one is absolutely amazing. I understand why they did it this way. And I love the little brooms. They're so cute. Or little mops. I don't know what they are. Mops, brooms. I'm the worst. But the artwork on this is so pretty. And then look on the back. I noticed they've been doing this a lot lately. I have the Peter Pan bag too, and that one has Nana on the back. I just love that they're adding that little detail kind of on the inside. And then usually on the inside of these bags, the print of the fabric on the inside is usually really pretty. I don't know if you can see this, but the inside has like, the little Mickey, the moon, the stars, and then it says 80, and I believe that's for the 80th anniversary, the 80 years. So pretty. I'm obsessed. I love it so much. I would have been happy with just that, to be honest. But we have to keep going. There's more in this box. Oh, this is so cute. It's a Brito Pascal Mini. Let me see if I can take him out of the box to show you guys. Can you get down? Get down. Everything is taped up. Gosh, he's so cute. All right, so this is the little Brito Mini. He is so precious. He's about the size of my hand. It has a little signature on the side for the artist, but like, look at how cute he is. Pascal is definitely my favorite because my favorite princess is also Rapunzel. So of course, Bibbidi knows that. We have a super cute little decal sticker of Princess Tiana. So cute. I believe this is the last item. It comes in such a cute little baggie. It is from Lillian & Co. Oops. Oh, it says it's a small world. Let me see if I can kind of like get you to see that. It's a small world after all. Super cute. These are awesome. And they're just so pretty to just like wear. They're minimal. They just have like that open back, but they look so pretty on. I just love stacking them. They're like mantra bands, but Disney edition, basically. They're so cute, and they are my favorite because I love gold. So yellow gold is definitely my go-to. So that is all for the March box. So that's when I go back in and I will take out that handy dandy packing slip and I will see what we got for our money. The Disney Brito Mini Pascal was $27. The Lillian & Co. stackable bracelet with the Small World inspired quote was $32. The backpack Loungefly Disney Fantasia was $70. And then the custom Disney decal was $250. So the total was $131.50, which is an amazing deal. If you go on their website, you can see all of the prices for all of the boxes and you end up saving a ton of money and getting things that you normally wouldn't pick out at the parks, which is amazing. And so I'm already in love with that box and I have another one to open. Now we are into the April box. The April box looks the same. This is a little bit heavier, so who knows what's inside this one. We're gonna open it up. And like I said before, what was missing in the March box is this specialty bag that they put everything in. I love these. They're reusable. I like to use them for groceries or going to the store, for just like bringing things to school. They're amazing. Again, you get that little envelope. It's going to give you the packing slip and it's going to tell you don't look at it unless you really want to know what's inside. So we're going to close that up. Immediately upon pulling it out, I have the bag, but there is something inside my box, so we're gonna do that first. Inside the box, we have a frame, so let's open that up. I love the Disney home section. We actually just bought this house. I'm still kind of in the middle of renovating everything and like fixing up how I want my room and how I want my office, but for the most part, we just switched everything around. So this used to be on the wall that I'm talking to right now, and then my bay window is over here now, which is where I had my desk. So we're kind of trying things out. It says laughter is timeless, imagination has no age, and dreams are forever. I don't know how you can love this frame, but this is super cute. I'm gonna put a picture of my family or Chris and I in here, and that'll be that. I love this so much. It's gonna go perfect with my house, with my office, and this is a $29.99 value item from the Disney parks, which is really cool. Going into our next item, just to show you what this bag looks like. It looks just like this. It has drawstrings on the side, so it's just really cute. You can use it for Christmas time. You can use it for Halloween, for trick-or-treating. It's like really cute, like make a little ghost bag. But the handles on it are very solidly made. It's really pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. We have another Loungefly. This one's so pretty. And like I said, I love the ones that have the little pocket on the front. I love that this one is like a little circus tent. Oh, and I don't even know if you can see inside, but there's like little Dumbos and the feather. The colors on this are so pretty and so pastel. The little Loungefly is on the side. And then remember how I said they like to keep putting things down at the bottom? It says the very things that hold you down are going to lift you up. And I'm gonna cry, guys. This is so pretty. but it feels like there's stuff inside, so we're gonna keep on going. Inside of this bag actually has a little zipper here, which I really appreciate because it's just nice to be able to put like your wallet or any keys or anything like that without them falling down to the bottom, especially since this pocket in the front is very thin. So I don't know what I would fit in here besides maybe like a flat little wallet. I love the inside fabric. It's just so pretty. This bag is probably going to be one of my favorites. I am very much a pastel kind of girl. I really like light colors these days. And so this is really, really pretty. I wish I could get into Magic Kingdom. We're currently blocked out. But if I can get into Magic Kingdom, maybe I'll take some pictures over on Boardwalk. It'll be so cute. Something I requested on my wish list, which I have the wallet for this. So I wanted to get something else that matched. I love Disney balloons. So I saw this on their wish list so I was like, oh, I really want that. I've never seen it in the parks. It's a Loungefly Disney park item, and it looks like this. It has the little like stretchy cord, and it has the little hook so you can like hook it onto your shorts and whatnot. It's a $20 item, and again, if it has this little sticker on it, it says that it's a Disney Parks exclusive. This is going to be so cute. I wanted something that I could put just like a couple cards. So like my Disney pass, my debit card, something like that, or a credit card, and then my ID, and just kind of like clip it onto my shorts and then have it just that. For the summertime, it's so nice to not have anything with you. I do like to carry like towels and fans and water and things like that in the summer. But when I want to just like hop into the park, go do some fun stuff, and then leave, like this is going to be perfect to just kind of like clip on. I can also use this for work. So it's super cute that I can put like my school ID in here. If you're a nurse, these are really, really cute. So hopefully they start making more of these because I really like this a lot. Last but not least is another candle. I've been so addicted to the candles, and every single one that I've received so far from this company, which is Candleco, I've burned. So they're all gone at this point. But this one is the Grand, and we all know any of the deluxe resorts always smell so good. They have like a very specific smell to them. And so I even have a candle from... This one is from Bath and Body Works, but it's called Suntan, and I think it smells like the beach club lobby or the yacht club lobby. It smells so good. So if you're looking for a candle that smells like the beach club, then Bath and Body Works Suntan smells just like the lobby. But I haven't opened this one yet. So this one is the Grand. First impression. I want a huge candle of this. This is like, smell is so distinct. Like smell brings me back to an experience like it's crazy. I smell something and it like calms me down. It makes me think of sitting in the lobby. It makes me think of like family vacations. Holy cow. This one it smells like the Grand Floridian. I'm in shock right now. If you have not checked out Wish's Candleco, they are a really cool company. They not only have candles with super cute glitter on the top, but in every candle, there is a pin hidden inside. So as it melts down, you'll see that there's like a little piece of aluminum foil kind of down in there, and you'll have to use like a little pair of tweezers, like pluck it out, and then you have a pin too. So it's not just a candle, it's a pin and it's a memory of like a super awesome smell. So let me go check out their website, and I'll put it right here too. It looks like they not only have candles, they also have jewelry candles. They have home decor like throw pillows and mugs. They have aroma oils, and then they also have sprays, like room sprays. And I don't know about you, but whenever Chris and I go to Bath and Body Works, we get the room sprays. So I am very curious to see about the room sprays, because they not only have like Bay Lake, they have Fallen Rome, so it smells like the spaceship Earth. They have Key West Islands, Pop, which I'm probably gonna go buy right now, because Chris and I actually stayed at Pop Century like 3 or 4 times. So that resort and that smell mean a lot to us. And to be taken back to smell like Pop Century, make our house smell like Pop Century, I can't even. To go back to Bibbidi, You can use my coupon code. I'll put it one more time. I know I said it at the beginning. We'll say it again. It's Taryn10. That will take 10% off of your purchase, and that will also give you one of their sparkle boxes, which is super cool. Let's go through the packing slip for the April box. For our packing slip, we have the Disney Parks Loungefly Mickey Balloon ID card was $20. The Parks exclusive Laughter is Timeless photo frame was $29.99. The Loungefly Dumbo backpack was $70, and the Wishes Candleco was $20. And so that came out to $139.99. And if you paid for the ultimate box, it's $119. So $119 to $139.99, you are saving money. That's basically a free candle. Where can you go wrong with that? That's crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching, for coming along. I am going to be doing a couple try-on hauls very, very soon. So this was just my subscription box. I wanted to share some of my Disney love with you guys. Let's do a little contest down below. And if you can guess where this shirt is from, not where the actual shirt is from, where the logo is from, because I'm not showing the bottom of it, maybe we'll give away a Starbucks gift card down below. So if you can guess where the shirt's from, then leave a comment down below with what your favorite item in the box was, and then your guess for where the shirt is from, and I will pick 2 people to receive a Starbucks gift card. So good luck down below. So subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and then also hit that bell so that you can be notified every single time that I come on and put up a new video, which hopefully will be more often, because I'm working on bundling a lot of videos today. So we're going to try to get that busted out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys real soon, and I'll see you later.